The DJI Goggles create a brand new way to see the world, giving you and your friends a view from above like never before. The DJI Goggles are designed for easy FPV flying, providing both seamless control and crystal clear views. A pair of large, high-quality screens offer stunning 3840 by 1080 resolution, more than double the pixel density of typical FPV goggle screens. Not only that, we've packed pixels so tightly that the image is free from the latticing that plagues many other FPV goggles. A wide 85-degree field of view per screen makes wearing the DJI goggles the equivalent of looking at a 216-inch screen from 3 meters away, creating a truly immersive experience. FPV goggles traditionally sacrifice latency for video quality. Using DJI's OcuSync technology, DJI goggles do not need to compromise. This patented transmission system allows the DJI goggles to receive long-range 720p 60 video and close-range Full HD 1080p 30 video and an unparalleled flight experience. The OcuSync system also enables simultaneous connectivity of up to 4 devices, so you can share your flight in real time with friends through their goggles or smart devices. Wherever you fly, you can rely on a stable connection with the aircraft, thanks to antennas built into the headband for a full 360 degrees of coverage. With the DJI goggles on, you have a whole new way to control your aircraft in a brand new flight mode, fixed wing mode. This simulates fixed-wing aircraft flight by locking the forward speed of the aircraft. Head tracking can also be used to control the camera moves, including pan and pitch to give you a more immersive flying experience. It is also useful for framing shots and even following moving subjects more accurately. While wearing the goggles, you still have access to a range of DJI's intelligent flight modes. Each of these is accessed just by swiping and tapping on the touchpad on the right of the goggles or using the 5D button on the Mavic controller. Available modes include terrain follow and tripod mode. The DJI goggles' comfortable fit comes from its rigid band that distributes weight evenly around the head, and which is easily adjustable with a rotating knob to provide maximum long-wearing comfort. The screen portion of the goggles include an interpupillary distance knob to tune the goggles to fit your eyes. They can also be flipped up quickly and easily for a look outside or detached entirely for portability. All newer DJI aircraft models work seamlessly with the DJI goggles. It works wirelessly with the Mavic Pro and supports everything from the Phantom 3 Advanced to the Inspire 2 through its HDMI port. More importantly, when connected through USB, the same head tracking controls available through OcuSync are made available to all aircraft. The integrated HDMI input can also be used to watch a feed from an external monitor or television, or for watching films and playing video games. If any sound is needed, simply plug headphones or external speakers into the onboard headphone jack to play back audio from any video content streamed through HDMI. There is also an integrated SD card for downloading images and video from the aircraft. The DJI goggles bring a deep layer of immersion to flying a quadcopter by bringing you and your friends closer than ever to the sensation of true flight.